Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, most of today's news. Lee Mason will be the referee caused that error we make us lose against Brentford. So Baba don't resign from the PGMOL after that Arsenal error. So it's just unfortunate for him. He's a 51-year-old and they say don't do referee, don't officiate over 500 matches. So that match now being last match because that error we make, it is an unforgivable offense again. Because for this kind of title race, if to say no be that error we make, now like this now we see the gap Man City with 3 points, yes, which one a standing match. But that's what we can do. Come make everybody talk about that. Nobody support what he do. Even Howard, whoever be the chairman of the PGMOL, the guy know they very happy. Come aside, come apologize to Arsenal. Though for the PGMOL website, they talk say the guy resigned due to mutual consent. Guys, no be saying and then Saka. Say two of them get agreement. He goes, okay, let me step down, let me go and stay with my grandchildren. Again, say I'm already tired again. So I just be happy to tell and talk say that offense when commit, it was not forgiven again. So he don't resign. So it is what it is. Now Paul Robinson come and talk about Arsenal. The Babana pundits going to talk about Arsenal and the title race. Going to talk say if Arsenal no win the league title now, you can say if it take them another 20 years to be in this same kind of position, because the league is getting harder and harder every year, and this year presents a perfect opportunity for Arsenal to challenge for the title. This is a year where people like Liverpool are misfiring, people like Chelsea are misfiring, and then with the usual suspects, they are misfiring. People like Manchester United, they are here, neither here nor there. The Man City concept, they misfire, then they play like Man City before. They are not as formidable as before. Imagine a Man City coming to Emirates and getting 36% possession, the lowest possession they've ever had in any game they ever win or won in 11 years. Imagine that kind of statistics, but the later one ugly again. So that's why they talk. So we must make sure we win the title, because Chelsea still buy, they never buy finish. People like Christopher Nkunku, Malo Gutsu, they will still join Chelsea for the summer. Chelsea already pay again. So Chelsea will be more formidable next season again. They may even sign a world-class manager next season. Who knows? So we just say everything they push out. Our Julian Lescott come outside the talk say he expects Arsenal to draw points for Aston Villa. Say because Arsenal they on a poor run of form, and that run of form will continue because this match is too soon. You get to quench that psychological blow we then do against Man City, because we played Wednesday night. Now you are playing Saturday afternoon. So what's this up? Say it did too soon for us, and it may affect Arsenal psychic. Say you don't know what they go play, but they expect something like a draw or a loss against Arsenal today. And at the same time, this is why people like Mikel Arteta come outside and they complain to the FA, say, how can you allow us play Saturday night and play Wednesday night? At the same time, you are allowing us play Saturday early kickoff, get 1:30 Nigerian time. Say it no make sense again, because there's a standing rule in the EPL. Say Champions League team will play Wednesday night, they will not be allowed to play early kickoff in the Saturday matches. Sometimes they play on Sunday again, but this one on Saturday they will play at the maybe late kickoff, that kind of 5 or maybe by 4 again. So that's what they are used to. So Baba going to say in case of the future, may the FA take note when they add matches, more matches, because this match will play a match they don't postpone since that I will play PSG for the Europa League. So if you want to give us the match again, you know we put up for this kind of play time now. You guys put up for a favorable place. So we say you know go affect the players next match, but this is what it is. Don't have to say don't happen. And then that talk say this one no go miss, so no go play well against Aston Villa. It's not like it's giving you advance and like an excuse in case you go do badly. No. So the boys will be pumped and ready for the match. Then Arsenal and City don't they charge with disorderly conduct for their match they play, because the talk say they failed to control their players. At some time in the match, Arsenal players gathered the referee. At some time, Man City self gathered the referee. So this is going to be our 4th FA charge of the season. So they say we'll get up until Tuesday to go like present our own evidence. Say okay, or maybe they do mistake to go respond again. So I don't think Arsenal will respond. ISIS they will fine us £40,000. So it's alright. Now, so many pundits out there, they ask Mikel Arteta to make him bench Granit Xhaka. Make him bench him for the first time. Bench him and play in Fabio Vieira. Make Fabio Vieira play with Odegaard for the middle of the park. You get, so we get Jorginho, Fabio Vieira, and Odegaard, because Odegaard is like our creative outlet, the only creative outlet we have there. Granit Xhaka has lost form. You may not know it, but that is what it is. Granit Xhaka don't lose form. I know Granit Xhaka before now, when they enter inside the box late, the bomb shots. Nobody Granit Xhaka lose form. Granit Xhaka, Martinelli, even Odegaard don't lose form, but Odegaard needs somebody else and not that creative outlet so we can't help him for the middle of the park. That's what me I'm saying. So I don't know that Arteta go listen to that word of wisdom. For me, I would say at this point, take risks. Get Thomas, some people made them rest. Look at the way they rest Ben White for Tomiyasu, even though Tomiyasu made an individual error where people going to talk about, but despite that individual error, he had a nice game. You get, so as they rest Ben White, and Ben White will don't replenish lost fluids, we don't recover now, they will come back again fresh. So the same thing now would expect me happen to Xhaka. No, there are no sacred cows for crying out loud. You should be able to change players. Why do you have these players on the bench if you are not willing to use them? You get, so that's $1 million question we're talking about. So try and deploy your bench. Take advantage, leverage them. You get, that's what you're supposed to be. Then Paul Messi himself come aside from your own prediction for the match where Arsenal will play against Aston Villa. So back on the talk, say in they see 2-0 and 2-0 in favor of Arsenal, because this match is like a cup final for Arsenal. And this Aston Villa, I don't go check the last match they play. Man City knocked them when they had 3-1. This same Aston Villa then lose against Leicester for home 4-2. The last match for home they lost 4-2, and then they get injury problems. I checked the lineup when they play against Man City, but that lineup is not formidable. Callum Chambers play centre back for you to see them get huge injury problems. Get Tyrone Mings no even play, so I don't know whether against us they will not recover. But if they use the same lineup, if they use play Man City, play us, by lie they will collect. Get, so might just be watch. Maybe by today their players will don't come back. I know just know, so we won't just be watch. But this match, like do or die. And if you never get any do or die match you don't play before, like this one, we need a response. Like Henry talk, we need, fine, you've lost against one of the best teams in the world in Man City. That's understandable, even though you played very well, beat your individual errors and your lack of clinical prowess. But you see this match, now do or die. We need to draw, not even follow at all. We need to win, and not just win very well to uplift our spirits. Even Pires come aside the talk, say people like Saliba, Saka and Odegaard, they go fit make the invisible team during in time, because the way that they play now, say even they go fit bench and safe. Say the way they play now, say they be part of the people we say in the system, say they go fit break into that invisible team. To see them they don't play for Arsenal during that 2003, 2004. See they go break into the first 11, because they are that good, especially Saliba, who they very cool, calm and collected. So that's why they praise them. So they play very well. For the media setting, so they come they interview Arteta. So Baba Kali talk say from day one, nobody go fit bet him money talk say na Arsenal then go win the title. From day one when league starts, Arteta they talk am say nobody would have bet his money on Arsenal. Say Arsenal will win the league title. You get, say everybody expect Man City to win. Say Arsenal were never the favourites. Man City from the get-go have always been the favourites, regardless of whatever Arsenal don't achieve this season. Say now only the neutrals now just want to see Arsenal win the league. Most of their rivals, people like Chelsea, people like Liverpool, most people they don't want to see Arsenal winning the league again. Now people will say they don't get any league or club affiliations. You get, and then they feel say this Arsenal they don't try now. I don't think they win the league. Now okay, maybe they win the league, but many rival fans, nobody give us a hoot. Nobody wants us to win it. So I think that they talk all this thing to bring down the expectation on Arsenal, because like I always say from the day one, how many of you now come outside talk saying our league will they go win? All of us were saying Champions League slots. We finished 5th, crying out loud. All of us talk say okay, now Champions League we won't go. You get, that was my aim and ambition. I believe that was yours, unless maybe you want fry more for me. You get, most of us, majority of us, everybody now what will they talk? That's what I thought. For me, I go talk say okay, now the top for me, I talk say we go get since people. So if you feel say you talk say now the league now Arsenal going from the day one, when I talk say day one, like the first day of the season, now what you come outside beat your chest talk say okay, Arsenal is going to win the league. Let me know for the comment section, make I know who you be, make I see you, because I don't think there's anybody that anticipated say Arsenal this season now won't win the league. No, we never qualify with Champions League, we won't go win the league. That was why when this season can start now, as everything going to go in our favor, as God may have it, life may have it, we're going to do everything the right way Everybody can they praise us, you get. But now many fans are still angry. Say, yeah, Man City beat us, see our faults, you get. We are arguing like who they talk that say Arsenal, okay now you're right. Say Arsenal are the youngest team in the league. They are going to make mistakes. It's normal. We are the youngest. Don't be comparing us with veterans waiting for Man City, veterans with the other clubs. Look at Liverpool with all their veterans, all their everything. Look at what they are doing, you get. So we'll just call the team some slack and let's see how everything go. Like I thought I don't downplay everybody's expectation. So that at the end of the day, we know win the league. You know, when they hold us ransom, say, wow, we win was that your plan from the beginning? Say, because fortune just smile at you. You got it for first for how many months? You got this in your better right. Don't be so life be now. So more face reality. Our Joseph Wax will be the fan way attack Aaron Ramsdale. The guy don't plead guilty. He gets for court case, so they don't fine him 100. Even give a compensation of £100 to Aaron Ramsdale. That is one. Then go do 150 hours of free work. That's another thing. Then you go do community service for 1 year. 1 year community service. At the same time, they ban him from stadium for 4 years. You no go watch any match, you no go enter any stadium for 4 years. After you don't serve in time, finish the hand. The referee on say, okay, I come back into the stadium and come and watch. So it is what it is. Some people don't say, my day harsh, but it is not harsh because Aaron Ramsdale wrote a statement to the court, telling the court, say, you know the wise, it's a no-brainer, it don't make sense for me to be attacking my place of work like I was assaulted. That's a criminal offense. You come to my place of work and you assault me. People don't say the stadium where players they play. That is their place of work. You get. Man, if I call your place of work when they fight you, it will make sense like that. So that's what it is. That's why the judge can say, okay, these and these and these and these are your punishments. So that's what it just be. About Rafinha herself don't come outside call the talk say outside Spain. You know what they call it, ask and say which teams you would like to go join. Say outside Spain, he like PSG and he like Arsenal. Don't forget say for the previous transfer window, Arsenal be one final, but got to say no, you know they're ready to come out at the moment. Since still want to stay for Barcelona, then maybe for the summer Arsenal will reason no matter because it's going to be surplus to requirement for what we are hearing. Asensio may likely pick back, and once Asensio pick back, the wingers will come do so many. Get so the reason we make Rafinha they play now now because of Dembele, Usman Dembele they injured. You get so you know say for the summer you get. The best thing we go do now to move from Arsenal, especially when Arsenal don't qualify for Champions League. So I would love that. So let's just see how everything go. Our last Smith will be one of the pundits out there. Don't come and they talk about Gabriel Magalhaes. Because Gabriel Magalhaes they allow in emotions, they cloud in judgment. Because when you are playing against big matches, you're supposed to keep your emotions in check, like Saliba. You get that is why many strikers they target time because they know say if you just wind them up small, you will just react. Get not be every person do you will react. If people gonna give you physical, imagine Elialan versus you talk past Elialan, you strong past Elialan, they follow Elialan, they drag. Now you follow up almost concede penalty. If don't be safe, I just come to our rescue. Say you need to stop to do all those kinds of things. Look at Saliba. Saliba is always calm and focused, ready for the game. But you will follow people, they will curse you, they follow, they react. Get may stop all those things, otherwise it will affect us in the long run. And we cannot use Kivio because Kivio and Asheshede just come because so we can't use him at the moment. Guys, they learn the ropes for Arsenal. So let's just continue watching. Our Charles WhatsApp don't come outside. They tell Arteta say make them drop Martinelli because the guy is struggle for Arsenal. Drop him, play Trossard. Now many people say done the talk. So today, Guardiola say Arteta go make some changes for our starting 11. Maybe Xhaka go drop, Fabio Vieira go enter, maybe Trossard go enter, Martinelli go drop. I never know how they want to play today because we need to win today. So we'll just the word. So today, my dear football lovers, we'll enter the match of the day: Aston Villa versus Arsenal. So today Villa go host Arsenal for Villa Park. Oyamo run check their head to head. So for the last 5 games for year, Arsenal lose 3 and win 2. On my last season we lose 1-0 for year. So my dear football lover, for this match we get 2 rivals for that Aston Villa place. Don't forget say Ebi Martinez did there for post. He will be fired up to play against us. At the same time, the manager and former Arsenal manager in Unai Emery instead of get a point to prove. But at the same time, keep your fingers crossed. I just believe so we will win this match because we know how important to win this match today. So we need to win this match by all means. So if you know what yesterday, should check the top left corner of your screen. Go see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. I get out.